Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to start with the syllabus for term 2. Let's start with chapter 7. Open page number 66 in your new images textbook. Let's read the chapter name and remember to put your index finger below the words that we are reading and move it as we are moving further. Let's read the chapter name. Mary had a little lamb lamp. What is the chapter name? Mary had a little lamp. Let's read. There is a line written below it. Who is as loyal as a dog? So I am sure you all remember that this is a poem that you might have learnt in your Montessori classes. Okay, right? Yes, it is the same exact poem, but we will learn much more in detail. Alright, so this is the poem about a little lamb which Mary had. Okay, let's start reading from page number 67. Put your finger below the first line. Mary had a little lamb. Its Fleece fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Now what did we read till here? Mary had a little lamb. Okay. The goat's baby is called lamb. I'm sure you all know it. Its fleece was white as snow. Fleece, what does fleece means? Fleece means the woolen covering that a sheep or a goat has. That's called fleece. Okay. And everywhere that Mary went, wherever the Mary went, the lamb would follow her. Okay. Let's continue. Line number 5. He, Followed, followed her to School, school, one day. That was Against, against the rule. It made the Children, children, laugh and play. To see a lamb at school. So he followed her to school one day. One day the lamb followed Mary to her school, which was against the rule. Can you all get your pets to school? No, right? That is against the rule. So lamb followed Mary to the school. It made the children laugh and play. All the children were enjoying, laughing and playing by seeing the lamb at school. Isn't it funny? Yes, let's continue. Next paragraph. And so the teacher, turned him out, but still he lingered near, and waited, patiently about. Still Mary did appear, appear. So the teacher turned him out. That means the teacher sent the lamb out of the class. But still he lingered near. What is the meaning of lingered? That is to wait there and just keep roaming around here and there nearby. Okay? And not wanting to leave that particular place. And waited patiently about. So he was just patiently waiting for whom? For Mary. Patiently means just not worrying about anything or not getting angry and just happily waiting till Mary appeared. Okay, till Mary came to him again. Let's continue. Line number 5, second paragraph. And then he ran to her and laid his head upon her arm, as if he said, I am not afraid. You will shield me from all harm. And then he ran to her and laid his head. That means when he saw Mary again, he just went to Mary and put his head upon her arm. Okay, laid is to lie down. Okay, put his head. And as if he said, I'm not afraid. So whenever he went to Mary and Mary was near to him, how did he feel? He was not afraid of anything. And he said, you will shield me from all harm. He felt as if Mary would shield. Shield is to protect. Okay. So Mary would protect him from any harm, any danger. Alright. Turn to page number 68. Let's read the first line. What makes the lamb love Mary so? The little children, children, cry. Oh, Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. So all the children were shouting. What they were saying? That why the lamb loves Mary so much. Yes? And the teacher said that even Mary loves the lamb very much. Do you all know that? Okay? Let's continue. And you each, gentle, gentle animal, in confidence, confidence, may, bind, and make them follow at your call. If you are always kind. So, what the teacher said, and you each gentle animal in confidence may bind. That means the teacher meant that every animal is kind to you when you make sure that the animal trusts you. And when they trust, when you are kind and good towards the animal, they make sure that you do not harm, and so they love you and be kind to you as well. Okay, so that's a lovely poem about Mary and her little lamb. Okay, and the meanings of the words which are given in red color, the words which are red in color in the poem, their meanings are given in the boxes in the same page, right? Learn them, read them if you don't understand them while reading the poem. Okay? Now let's continue with exercise A1 in the same page. Mark these sentences as true or false. Now we already know true means right and false mean wrong. Okay? Let's read the first one. Mary's lamp had fleas as grey as the clouds. Is Mary's lamp's fleas look like the color of the clouds? No. What was the color? It is white as snow, isn't it? So this sentence is wrong. So tick F. Next, one day the lamb followed Mary to school. Right? Wrong? Correct. Put a tick on T. The lamb loved Mary. Right or wrong? Right. Put a tick. Number 4. Mary loved the lamb. Isn't it? Yes. So that is true again. So the only one wrong is the first one. Okay. Now, there is an exercise A2 below this. So those are the questions. Now, there is a PDF attached in the description box below. Click on it, open the PDF. You have the dictation words and question and answers related to this chapter. Please write them neatly in your English copy, and there is also worksheet in it. Okay, you can do the worksheet in your revision register or in any paper. So do your homework. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe at home.